Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners on steroids. They're so powerful, they can trap light itself. Yeah, the fastest thing in the universe. Ready to explore the weirdest objects in space. Let's dive into the darkness. So you're floating in space and oops, you've drifted too close to a black hole. What happens next? Well, you're about to experience the universe's most extreme roller coaster ride. First, you'll get stretched like cosmic spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. Your feet will feel a stronger pull than your head, stretching you longer and thinner. Think of it like the world's most intense taffy puller, except you're the taffy. As you pass the point of no return, what we call the event horizon, time gets super weird. To someone watching from far away, you'd appear to freeze in time, while from your perspective, you're still falling. And the finale? Well, nobody really knows what happens at the center, but it's probably not a fun vacation spot. Here's the mind-blowing part. Einstein saw black holes in his math before anyone spotted them in space. Back in 1915, he was just playing around with equations about gravity, trying to figure out why planets move the way they do. His math showed something crazy. If you pack enough stuff into a tiny space, it would collapse into a point so dense that nothing could escape it. Einstein thought this was ridiculous. He figured there must be some natural law preventing this from happening, but nature had other plans. Decades later, scientists realized these cosmic monsters were totally real. Einstein's mistake turned out to be one of the coolest predictions in science history. Think of a black hole's event horizon like the ultimate no-takebacks line in space. Once you cross it, you're committed, just like when you hit send on an embarrassing text. It's the boundary where the black hole's gravity becomes so strong that even light waves throw up their hands and say, "I give up." Here's what makes it extra weird. If you were falling past the event horizon, you wouldn't notice anything special. No alarm bells, no flashing lights. But for your friends watching from a safe distance, they'd see you slow down and freeze like a glitchy video buffer. Why? Because time itself gets twisted near a black hole. It's like the universe's way of saying, what happens in the black hole stays in the black hole. Okay, get ready for this. Black holes mess with time so much it'll make your brain hurt. Remember that movie where everything moves in slow motion? That's kindergarten stuff compared to what happens near a black hole. The closer you get, the slower time ticks for you compared to everyone else. Let's say you're brave or crazy, enough to orbit really close to one. While you experience just 1 hour, your friends back on Earth might live through several years. The black hole's massive gravity doesn't just bend space, it warps time itself. It's like the universe's strongest taffy pull, stretching every second into a cosmic eternity. And if you somehow manage to peek inside, time as we know it completely breaks down. Talk about the ultimate time management problem. Let's talk about the weirdest way to become pasta, spaghettification. When you get close to a black hole, gravity plays a twisted game of tug-of-war with your body. The pull at your feet is way stronger than at your head, so you start stretching like silly putty. It's like being in a cosmic taffy machine, except way less fun. Your atoms get pulled into a super thin strand, hence the pasta nickname. And here's the kicker. This isn't some wild sci-fi idea. The math shows it would absolutely happen. In 2020, astronomers actually watched a star get turned into cosmic spaghetti when it got too close to a black hole. Talk about a stellar pasta dish. You think regular black holes are big? Let me introduce you to their big brothers, supermassive black holes. These cosmic giants hang out in the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Imagine something millions or billions of times heavier than our sun, packed into a space smaller than our solar system. These space monsters are so hungry, they can swallow entire stars like cosmic popcorn. When a star gets too close, the black hole's gravity rips it apart in a brilliant light show called a tidal disruption event. It's like watching the universe's most extreme food fight, with stars as the snacks. Our galaxy's own supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, is actually pretty chill right now. But don't let that fool you. It's just having a little cosmic siesta. Want to hear about the most impossible photo ever taken? In 2019, scientists pulled off something straight out of science fiction. They snapped a picture of a black hole. But wait, how do you photograph something that eats light for breakfast? Here's the genius part. They didn't capture the black hole itself, but the glowing ring of hot gas swirling around it. Think of it like photographing a cat's shadow. You can't see the cat, but you know it's there. It took 8 radio telescopes across Earth, working together like a giant cosmic camera, plus a mountain of data and some seriously smart computer wizardry. The result? That iconic orange donut that broke the internet and made science history. Hey, you might have heard some wild rumors about scientists creating black holes in labs. Time for a reality check. While particle colliders like the Large Hadron Collider smash atoms together at incredible speeds, they're nowhere near powerful enough to create a black hole. We'd need the energy of 1,000,000 trillion LHCs to make even a tiny one. And honestly, that's pretty great news. A human-made black hole could turn Earth into cosmic spaghetti faster than you can say, oops. Some people worried the LHC might accidentally create one, but the math shows it's about as likely as your sandwich spontaneously turning into a penguin. The universe has our back on this one. Here's where Stephen Hawking blew everyone's minds. Black holes aren't actually black. They're more like very slow, leaky buckets in space. In 1974, Hawking figured out that quantum physics makes black holes release tiny amounts of energy, like a cosmic whisper. Imagine a black hole as the world's most patient tea kettle, very slowly letting out steam. The smaller the black hole, the faster it leaks. Given enough time, we're talking longer than the current age of the universe, black holes will eventually evaporate completely. It's like watching paint dry, if the paint took billions of years to dry and was invisible. This discovery changed everything we thought we knew about black holes. Let's talk about the grand finale of black holes. Their death scene might be the universe's most spectacular light show. Through Hawking radiation, these cosmic giants slowly fade away like a dimming star. But here's the wild part. When they reach their final moments, they might go out with a bang that would make any fireworks show jealous, and those sci-fi dreams about black holes being shortcuts through space. The math actually suggests they could be portals to somewhere. Maybe other universes, maybe other parts of our universe, or maybe just the weirdest recycling system ever invented. We honestly don't know, and that's what makes it so exciting. Thanks for joining me on this mind-bending journey through the darkest corners of space. If you enjoyed getting your brain twisted by black holes, smash that like button and subscribe for more cosmic chaos. Share this video, let's blow some more minds together.